Saturday, July 20th, 2024. Saint Apollinaris. Focus. Many followed him, and he healed them all and ordered them not to make him known. I imagine today's gospel scene. It is momentous because Isaiah's prophecies are being fulfilled. Salvation history is unfolding before our very eyes. This is the long-awaited Messiah himself, come to proclaim justice to the Gentiles. Jesus is going about curing every illness of all who come to him. The people are astounded and sing his praises. But Jesus orders them to tell no one. Even as this scene plays out, we know that the reason Jesus is here is because the Pharisees are conspiring to destroy him, forcing him to withdraw. Yet many people continue to follow him and receive healing. What I glean from Jesus is his sense of mission. Nothing distracted him from it. He was always mindful and aware. When he had to reprimand, he did so only if it fitted with his mission. This makes me reflect. What is my mission in life? Obviously, it is not to devise wickedness and work evil. What specific good am I called to do? Bloom where I'm planted? Help someone in need? Whatever my circumstances or station in life, I can always be kind to those around me. Fruit. I can do immense good each day without seeking recognition from others. Thus, I can be part of Christ's mission to bring healing to the world.